Hello people, this is Whiteboard Entrepreneur and we'll talk about why you need to try zigzag marketing for your business. If you're like most business owners, you must be spying on your competition and duplicating what they are doing. This surveillance in reality is a horrible strategy as you simply don't know that the marketing your competitor is doing works or not. And as first rule of business, you should avoid being horrible at all cost. So there's this once when my client told me that he received the same flyer from 3 different dentists in one day. The copy in that flyer was exactly the same, only the practice contact information was different. That's why you should consider zigzag marketing. When most of your competitors do one thing, you go another way. You zig when they zag. This helps you stand out even in a crowded marketplace. But that doesn't mean you should take blind action. You must avoid being blind in business every time. And you still need to be thoughtful with what you are doing as a business. You still need to rely on things like marketing tactics, strategies, and measurable stats. But there is no advantage to being 10th or 12th business to do something. When you engage in zigzag marketing, you increase your chances of finding the hidden parts of the market. You get to be the first one to find gold instead of being one of the people who show up with shovels and picks after the vein has depleted. Zigzag marketing is about taking risks with your marketing and combines creativity with analytical decision making. It's also the fastest way to become a market leader, so do give it a try. With that, thanks for watching this video. Be sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for future updates.